Welcome back to our episode. Today, we are diving into the desktop application interface of Microsoft Teams. Whether you are new to MS Teams or looking to get more out of it, this tutorial will help you to navigate and utilize its feature efficiently. First, you need to launch your Microsoft Teams. You can do this by clicking on the Teams icon from your desktop or start menu. Once open, you will see the main interface which will explore in details. Okay. So the home screen is your central hub. On the left hand side, you will find a primary navigation menu. So let's go through each options. Okay. So starting with the activity feeds. So this is where you can see all your notifications, mentions and other activities. It's a great place to stay what's happening in your Teams over here. You can easily what is happening over here, and if you read it, so you can use mark as the unread or mark as the read this one. You can easily remove it, or you will see admins or mentions, notifications and other notifications, activities tabs. So next we have the chat comment or chat features. Here you can have one or group conversations, and you can also start new chats by clicking on the new chats over here. By clicking over with the new chats, or click the new chats button at the tops, or you can have the control N. If I just click over and here start with the new charts over here, you can easily click over like the, or you can type something. So hello everyone, something like this one. I can just say everyone, and here you can just send it. So this one, so here, and you can give here the group names for the chat links options, and under the news or chat options, you will see all the teams. Like here it's called the communicating, or you are a part of. So click on the any team to access its channels. You can also collaborate on project like sharing files or hold the discussions over here. You can create something like this is the first one. You can use the create welcome message. You can use this one, save it as for the example, and create a new event. If you want to use it, by clicking over here, you can have the new event, and it can be shows up with your teams, or you can shows up in your community. You can have the announcement. If you have the announcement, by type here, and you can work with the different options like with the colors. Like if I want to use this color, or you can has the different background. If you want to use, you can have the different settings over there. Okay. And also now let's move into the another options, or before that, you can also share the photos, and or also photos add to community automatically shows up here by clicking over there. Okay. So now under the chat tabs, you have the calendar. The calendar is where you can schedule and join meetings. It syncs with your Outlook's calendars, making it easy to make your schedules in one place. Okay. So here you can easily visit it Meet now, or you can use the new meetings like by clicking over here. Like this is a test, I want to use it. When you want to use it, like you can set up the dates, date. If you use the like the 30, here the 30, you can have the dates of our when do you want to meet it with. You can give here the time schedules, like here every week or does not repeat it, or you can use at the locations. So why do you want to discuss this one? You can easily find out this one. Okay, so this way you can easily use it. And now let's move into the another options, and you say the call options. Okay, calls allows you to make audio or the video calls directly from the Teams. Like you can also access your call history, voicemail over here. Like here, what do you want to use? Like start meetings. Like when I use this one, now you can start with your meetings, like sync with the contacts. So if you have the contacts, you can easily work with this one with your cameras, or like shares people, or you can discuss over there. Okay, so for now I want to leave it over here. And now in the file tabs you will file, or you also find the some everything's like are shared across your teams or shares. It's a convenient process to manage and access your documents over there. So whatever you want to use it, so here we have the options. You can easily use it over here. Like you can attach, or you can have the different medias over there. Okay, to customize your team experience, click on your profile like this here in the top right corner and select the settings like here, or I can just click over here, use the settings, and here you can adjust the team notification and also the privacy settings and also the more. So for example, let's use this is the new Windows. You can have the new Windows, or if you want to use the apparently like accessibility with the themes with the different colors. So this is the default one. So for the operating system, this one, so you can have this one, and always use the dark theme for the meetings. You can easily use it this one over here. For example, let's select this one. Okay, now we have this one with the notification and another activities. You can easily play with this one with the community emails or whatever you want, and you can easily play with this. Okay, settings. Okay, so now let's go back to the here. I can easily move it to the here, or what I'm gonna do, let's go back to the appearance accessibility, or let's use like something with the graph. So here we have now to change the different things. Okay, and so here are a few tips and tricks to enhance your MS Teams experience, like pin important or the important chats and teams. Like right click on the chats or team, like here before. Let's go back to over here, and if do you have the use, or you can just right click over here and you can pin it this one, or let's use the something over, for example, or this one, or let's test it over here, or you can have, or you can edit it this one, or you can pin it this one. So pin to keep in the top for easy access. Okay, so and use the slash command. So type slash the search bar, like you can have the search bar, or you can use the search for quickly, like here if I use slash and right here the call, or just call to make a call, or you can find here the slash, or here the files. Here we have the options with the slash, so like busy or offline, so whatever you want, like available, or like I will set your status at the two-way or the different options. You can easily select this one. Okay, next one is the keyboard shortcuts. So familiarize yourself with keyboard shortcuts to navigate Teams more efficiently. For example, you can use the like go to, or before let's check out this one. So go use the Control A for go to the search bar. Use here the Control C plus M to mute or unmute during our calls. Like let's start with the simple calls over here. And if I gonna click over, like let me use it or call it over here. Start the calling server here, and here we are using this one. Now if I use mute it or like Control Shift and M, now you can see it's muted for, or microphone is muted. Or if you click over again, Control C Shift and M, it's unmute this one. Okay, so play with this one. You can just easily find out the settings in your Teams viewers or like MS Teams over there. So, and that's a quick tour of MS Teams Desktop's application interface. We hope this tutorial helps you to get most out of Microsoft Teams. And have any questions, tips, or of your own, leave them in the comments below, and thanks for watching.